So we just got a text message right now saying, Lita, where's the translation? Where? Okay, there was a text message that went out to all the foreigners. Oh, there's this massive storm coming right now. Like right now. I don't know if you guys can see this. If you look out there, you see kind of how the clouds become darker. Anyway, it's coming right now, and it says something disturbing electricity yellow early warning signal. In the next 6 hours, most of Beme New area will appear strong lightning activity accompanied with high winds, local hail, and short-time strong rainfall. Okay, so it's just saying, be prepared. Whoa, it's getting dark really fast. So, what do you do when there's a thunderstorm coming? Yo, there's lots of lightning. Yo, are you guys seeing this? This is insane right now. There's so much lightning over there, and I think it's coming this way, so I'm not gonna stay out here very long. And don't worry, there are buildings that are way taller than me, so it's not like lightning is gonna hit. Okay guys, that's it. It's starting to rain. I actually see the rain coming. Let's go. I can feel it. The rain's coming down now. Woo! This and this. Grab this. Oh. Whoa, this is coming in fast. You guys see all that mist? All that rain? Oh, I feel it now. Wow, the winds are insane. Look at this. Can you turn on the light? What? We're flooding. Look at this. Our whole house is now full.
Oh my god, it's flooding, we can get stuff out here. Our packages over here.
Okay, let's get out of here. Oh my goodness. We're on the 5th floor. How did we start flooding? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I think the storm is passing. Look now. We can actually see outside. We can actually see the buildings. Jeez. Soaked. Brace yourself. Whoa. Okay, we went to the wrong terminal. Come on, focus. So we're looking for somebody who's really short and looks like me. Can you guys guess who it is yet?